Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to hide files and folders in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is fully powered on and has completely loaded up. Wait for your desktop to appear and everything to finish loading before moving forward. This ensures all the system features are ready to use. Once your PC is ready and you're on your desktop, you can begin the process. Navigate to either your Windows desktop or open File Explorer to locate a sample file or folder that you want to hide. This could be any file or folder you'd like to keep out of plain sight. For this demonstration, we'll walk through the exact steps using a sample file, but the process works identically for folders as well. After you've located the file or folder you want to hide, right-click on it. This action will open a context menu with several options. From this context menu, look for and click on the option labeled Properties. This will open a new window displaying all the properties and details of your selected file or folder. Now inside the Properties window, direct your attention to the bottom section where you'll find an area called Attributes. This section controls various characteristics of your file or folder, including whether it's visible or hidden. Within the Attributes section, you'll see a checkbox labeled Hidden. Simply click on this checkbox to enable it. By checking this box, you're telling Windows to hide this file or folder from normal view, making it invisible when you browse through your files in the standard way. After checking the hidden box, click Apply and then OK to save your changes. Your file or folder is now hidden from view. Keep in mind that hidden files won't appear in File Explorer unless you specifically enable the option to view hidden items in the View settings. This is a quick and effective way to keep certain files or folders private and out of sight from casual browsing. And that's it, you've successfully hidden your file or folder in Windows 11. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.